Okay, so welcome to our channel by Career Academy, and to all the UGC JRF students who have recently passed out and qualified the UGC JRF. So many congratulations to all of them. And today we will talk about to how do you actually activate the UGC JRF fellowship after joining your institute. So as you can see, this is the 12th plan guidelines of the Junior Research Fellowship. And this is the recent plan they have uploaded. The main thing that you have to do is that first you will pass the UGC JRF, you will get your scorecard, you will get your rank, and after that the main thing that you have to do is that you have to wait for 1 or 2 months. I think within 2 months UGC just sends the award letter and the certificate along with. You don't have to upload anything. I don't know if it has changed or not, so more or less like that, or if it has changed also, so you have to just provide them with some of your documents again, and they will just send you the award letter after that. So before getting the award letter you can't just activate it, remember that. Most importantly, you will require that. Okay, so now the main application, coming to the main application process. So after you get your award letter, you need to submit a joining report. Most importantly, joining report, that is the Annex 2. And many people have asked that what documents do you actually require for joining report or to activate the UGC fellowship. So the main thing that you need to understand is that UGC sends you the award letter, and until and unless you don't get it, you can't activate it. But up to the mark that you got it, your award letter, then you are eligible for applying the UGC JRF fellowship. And if you need any other kind of documents, like people ask that if they need their caste certificate or any kind of other residential certificate or any kind of, so that's a really no. If your institute required it for their own purpose, then that's okay, but UGC actually don't need anything for such purposes. So you need to understand. And also a main important point is that for the general EWS category people, many people have asked that do they require again for the fellowship to activate. Okay, so that's a completely no. You don't require to give the UWS certificate again. Your institute, if your institute requires it, then that's different matter, but UGC don't ask for any kind of caste certificate during their activation procedure. Previously you have to give for the 11th guidelines, but from the 12th guidelines it's completely removed. So now coming to the guideline, as you can see, the main thing that you have to upload is the Annex 2. Okay, so just a minute. This one, the main thing that UGC requires nowadays is this. So you just need your photo. And another thing that people are asking recently is that this one, national eligibility test date. So for this you just need to give your admit card. In your admit card it's clearly written, and you need to give the attested copy to it. Okay, so just give it a Xerox and just attested it and submit it. That's all you have to give. And many people who passed earlier, who don't have their anything like this date or anything, you just contact your nodal officer. I think there are many other ways you can give just a proof of your date. Okay, so the date, I think the result also is also applicable. I clearly don't remember that the result is also have the date or not, but yeah, if you have the admit card then it's fine, and if you don't have it, then just go for your nodal officer and just give it the result. I think it will be enough. So you need this Annex 2, this attested copy, and the thing that you have to fill up here is that it is certified, your name, then department of your institute have different several departments, like you can give it biological science, physical science, chemistry, anything, and mark this as PhD, another of scheme with effect from. So this one is a very critical thing, like many people give their enrollment date, many people so which one is closer, like if you have enrolled first and then you will activate your PhD, then it's okay. Means if you qualified before your enrollment, then you have to give your enrollment date. And if you have enrolled, then you have qualified for JRF, then you have to give your result pass out date. Okay, so for that you just need to contact your nodal officer. He is the best thing he can do is that you will just give the date, and this is the main reason that many of the applications get rejected by UGC, like for not giving the actual date. Okay, now coming to F.N and A.N, very important thing, F.N and A.N. So for if you have to get the full fellowship amount, so go for F.N. I think it's for noon, and A.N I don't actually my nodal officer didn't mention it, but F.N is the thing that we have to do. I mean for the full period of the time. So if you give, I think they mentioned that if I give A.N, it will be, my fellowship will be half or anything like that. So just ask your nodal officer if it will be F.N or A.N. And terms and conditions also is a date of registration. Okay, so registration certificate you have also have to upload it also. I think UGC don't actually require the registration certificate, they just number and the proof is enough. UGC, that the main check is that the stamps, that it's okay or not. So this one, signature of the awardee, don't make a mistake in bank account number and IFSC code. You guys know that is the main thing. Okay, so supervisor signature, supervisor seal, and head of the department, their seal, registrar, principal, and the seal. So many of times UGC rejects the application because your supervisor is your head of the department, or the supervisor, the head of the department, they don't have actually the head of the department, they have director or coordinator. So you have to give a letter, okay, in institutional head, letterhead, that our HOD is the coordinator is the HOD, or the director is the actual HOD. So you have to give this in a letterhead, otherwise they will just reject it. Okay, so uploading these three things, and you will just give it to the nodal officer. He will upload it to UGC. Now the main thing that you have to do is that you have to go to SFMP portal. So I will give it another video. If you guys require, just comment below how to register in SFMP portal. So you have to go in SFMP portal, give a register, and with your email that you have given for your UGC JRF application during the application procedure, with that same contact number and details. Then you have to go in Aadhaar seeding. I can make another video for that, but I am just verbally telling, like you just go to the Aadhaar seeding and just give your Aadhaar number, and they will just send you an OTP, just to verify that your Aadhaar is seeded or not. To make sure, one of the most important thing is that Aadhaar is seeded to your bank account or not. Guys, please make sure that your Aadhaar card is seeded to your bank account. Go to uidai.gov.in and just check it out by logging into your Aadhaar account that your bank account is actually linked with it or not. If it's not linked, then you have a high possibility that your UGC procedure will just get rejected. After you register that, and you will 1 or 2 days, your nodal officer will just send you a link to register to SFMP portal. Like as a scholar, you will just he will accept you, like that you are currently in his institute and we are doing a PhD. So he will upload everything, and he will just give it the SFMP portal. He will activate it. Now we have to wait for, actually I think in 9 to 15 days, UGC actually for the first time 9 to 15 days they give the beneficiary code. The beneficiary code, okay, so after your nodal officer checker and maker, so you have to get sure that the people who upload is the nodal officer maker, and after that there is a step like beneficiary code creation. It usually takes 1 day or 1.5 day, and after that you will get to know that what to do and what not to do. And after that you will get a nodal officer checker. So he is a different person. The nodal officers who is, so okay, so both of them are from the same university, I mean the institute that you have joined. Both the people are from that office only, and you have to just tell them that yes, my beneficiary code is accepted, now just accept my application. And the nodal officer checker will check all the application procedure and he will just check it out. I will just I can make another video for that also if you guys actually need an overall guide for that. Okay, so now you have to wait for actually 9 to 15 days, and after that you will get your beneficiary code if everything goes well. Okay, so nowadays UGC just, if it's rejected, UGC will just show you in that bar your profile, the home page, the there is a green orange bar which will get green for each and every step. That step above that region you will just get a notification that your application is, if it is rejected it will just show it rejected, and if it's accepted you will get the beneficiary code visible on your screen in your profile. And another thing that you need to know is that the moment you upload it, all of the things you can see it in a SFMP portal, and after your nodal officer, before the nodal officer checker, your all of your information you can't see it. I mean, the time you will accept the scholar, when the nodal officer maker just give you the link to Canara Bank portal, and you accept all your documents, like everything is okay, your bank account number, at that moment you will accept it, and you can see that all of your details has vanished. And after your nodal officer checker has accepted it, all of your documents will again reappear. Documents mean just the account number and everything. Okay, so now after all of this you have to wait for 9 to 15 days and you will get everything done. Now coming to the part that after that what you have to do, after that you have to upload this one, continuation certificate, for all of the months that you are actually waiting for. This is to certify that your name has worked in the department, your name of department, and quarter from, so your date of enrollment to which month, up to which month it's pending, and again the signature, date of head of the department. Also your this also requires the signature of your guide also, so just give it edit it, or you can add anywhere like this, like stamp of your signature and stamp of your guide. And also another thing that you require is the HRA certificate. So among this, I think university people, most of the people fill up this one, certificate number 2. You have to give your name, you have to give an amount. For UGC JRF now it's giving 30% per month. I mean, full of your fellowship you are getting 30% per month, and with effect from, you just give the date from up to which it's pending, and all of this is signed by your guide, your institutional head, and then send it to the registrar. All of this will be done by the officials, and this will be submitted before the 8th of the month, 1st to 8th of the month. And hopefully if it's totally online, then you will get it in the month end or next month, or if it's offline, and you will just get it in the next month starting only. Okay, so if there is any other doubts, so you can contact me. Also, one of the main important thing, that if for any chance, like you have passed for 12 months and you are still working and you didn't get your fellowship, so you have to give an exception form like this one in your institutional letterhead, that you have worked for this to this month, and there any reason of your delay. Okay, so I think this one is enough for each and everyone, and do let me know if there is any kind of problem with you. I can help you with UGC JRF application procedure. There are other kind of JRF for UGC like MANF and other NFOVCs, so I don't actually know, but I can try to help all of you guys, and I have also friends like for all of them, so you can reach me out in the comment section. So just like the video, and if you like, do subscribe. We will also try to make more videos if you want to know the other procedures. Thank you guys.